My goodness, you're cute. You like that sound? You're cute. Good direction change. Yeah.
You like to sit down and say you're done? She's itchy, but tired.
Hi, itchy booty.
Itch her ear.
Oh. Oh. Chelsea will help you.
Oh, just need a permanent scratcher. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I love that her leg still goes just the same. My goodness, you're cute.
Oh, you have such a cute squish face.
What do you think? Go make a friend. We want to see you make a friend.
Nope.
He's crazy. I love that he's barking at the fence and you don't care. You don't need to join that party. Oh my God. It is the opposite side.
They are. They're moving complete opposite way.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you are so squishy. Look at you.
Content room have a dog.
Get it, girl. Get it. Yes. I need to get you one of those little cow rollers.
Oh yeah.
You would love that. You don't mind me touching? She didn't mind when you touched her back there?
Yeah.
That's good. No reason to worry about it. Are we friends now? Oh, that's good, because I like you too. I don't even have treats that you really like.
I'm going to use content room for about 5 minutes.
And it's his last day here. Well, tomorrow is he's going on transport. He has a PNW foster. Oh. I think it's a PNW foster because down is so cute. You do the big flop.
The biggest flop.
Flop.
The biggest flop.
Thank you for not joining Gooby in that barking. He doesn't need it. It is.
Bobby, no.
I have to try to get the big flop when it happens. I want that. I want to put bug spray on you so badly. You're so cute, it almost makes me angry. It's stupid. You're very cute. She's got that thick fur too. Like, or just, it's dense. Oh, get it. Who cares? Feels good. Thank you for that.
You got your dish. You got your dish. Oh, yeah, those are
Yes.
good.
I know.
You can drop him. I'll drop him. He doesn't need me.
I love how he does that.
He does. He's a leaner. You're so beautiful. He's like, here you go. Go. Here you go.
Zoom. Oh.
Just came up, but that's okay.
She's excited. Maybe a little frustrated when he runs so fast. He is so fast. What exactly is it?
They don't know. I mean, at one point they said they thought it might be cancer.
Yeah, they threw out cancer.
But I don't know.
I mean, he's white.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Obi, don't do it.
Good. You didn't continue to do it.
That's a nice little break. You two are silly together. This is crazy. Kitty, Millie. Do you like that little frog? Does it have a squeaker still? Find it. There it is. Good girl. Get away. Even though you played all that time, you still have a little toy playtime in you. You ran around so much outside. Oh, that's a good one. It crunches and it squeaks. Millie, I like you so much. You found the tail. Can I get you on the couch? My God, you're so cute. Oh, she loads up so good. Good girl, Millie. Good girl.